think you're pretty without any makeup on. I think you're funny when you tell the punch that wrong. I knew you got me when...
Kain tayo ng chocolate para mabawi yung sugar na nawala sa akin. Kasi andito ako ngayon sa may sitio Bayucan. Ayan.
You let your walls come down, down. Before you met me, I was alright, but things were kinda heavy. You brought me to life.
Ubus siya. So, I'll do my part. Grabe, ang daming kalat. Ito. Ang gagawin ko dito. Ayan. Set an example to the young people. Put it in your pocket. Ayan o. Hindi ko tinapon ha.
Now every February you'll be my Valentine. Valentine. Let's just talk all through the night. There's no need to rush. We can dance until we die. You and I will be young forever. You make me feel like I'm living a teenage dream. The way you turn me on, I can't sleep. Let's run away and don't ever look back. Don't ever look back. My heart.
Ay, thank you po Lord. Nakarating ako ng Bayucan. Medyo okay yung kondisyon. Ganda. Ito, naahon ng Bayucan. Kasama ko si Kimi. Ay, thank you po Lord. Ayan na po ba? Ano po sa akin? Take care of us.
Make me feel like I'm living a teenage dream. The way you turn me on, I can't sleep. Let's run away and don't ever look back. Don't ever look back. My heart stops when you look at me. Just one touch. Now baby,